May I proceed? Yes. I, Rohit Khare, and three other counsel in the Honorable District and Session Court, Rewa, case number 946/20, year 2020. Balram and others, address village Kharkoti, Thana, city Kotwali, Rewa, prosecution versus Anup Singh, Anmol Singh, address village Kharkoti, Thana, city Kotwali, Rewa, MP. Accused. Case detail: the accused are responsibly parties for the case filed on behalf of the accused. On 4 December 2020, in the morning at or about 8 a.m., information Balram logged a first information report with police station city Kotwali, Rewa, to effect that he resides in the village Kharkoti in Thana city Kotwali, Rewa. On 30 November 2020, in the evening at about 7 p.m., while he was resting in his drawing room, just after came from office suddenly accused Anup Singh and Anmol Singh, because of his open drawing drainage toward their plot, started to accuse Balram. When Balram went out to see what is happening outside, Anup Singh and Anmol Singh chase Balram with lathis inside the house and assault Balram, because of which Balram sustained bleeding injury over head and on right arm and right leg. When other family members of Balram and neighbor came and tried to save Balram and Poonam both, the accused person immediately Balram and threatening to cause death and fled away from the place of incident. Balram immediately went to Vishya Hospital, Rewa, along with Poonam, and discharged from the hospital on 4th December 2020. Balram and with plaster in his right arm and bandage over his head, along with Poonam, went to city Kotwali, Rewa, and logged in report. A crime has been committed by the accused, has such charges Bharati Nyaya Sanhita 2023 charges. Section 333, house trespass, preparation for hurt, assault or wrongful arresting. However, committed trespass, having made preparation for crossing hurt to any person or for assaulting any person or for wrongful arresting any person, for putting any person in fear of hurt or of assault or of wrongful arresting, shall be punished with imprisonment of another description for a term which may extend it to 7 years and shall also be liable to fine. Section 3512, subsection (3). Section 3512, however, committed the offence of criminal imitation shall be punished with imprisonment or either description for a term which may be extended 2 years or fine or both. However, section 531/3, however, committed the offence of a criminal imitation by threatening to cause death or grievous hurt, to cause the destruction of any property by fire or cause of offence punishable with death or imprisonment for life or with imprisonment for a term which may extend 7 years, or to import which unnecessary to a woman shall be punished with imprisonment of neither descriptions for a term which may be extended to 7 years or fine or both. Section 35 when a criminal act is done by several persons in furtherance of the common intention of all. Each of person is liable for that act in same manner as if they are done by him alone. Section 117 subsection 2, however, except in the case provided for by subsection 2 of section 122, voluntary cause grievous hurt shall be punished with imprisonment of either discretion for a term which may extend 7 years and shall also be liable to fine. Point to consider: Anup Singh and Anmol Singh chased Balram with lathis inside the house. Assault Balram, sustained bleeding injury. Accused person immediate Balram by threatening to cause death and fled away from the place of incident. Anup Singh and Anmol Singh, arrested with lathis, were also stripped from them. Seat. Japti. Prosecution examined as May 5 witness and MLC report. Examination in chief Balram. Case laws under section 352/3. Amul Kumar Behra versus Navaghan Behra, 1995 CRLJ 3559, Odisha. The High Court of Odisha held that in the offence of the criminal imitation, the intention of the accused must be cause alarm to the victim, where he is accumulated alarm or not is of no consequences. Mere hurting to accused or incite objection words against the victim would not be sufficient to constitute as offence as criminal imitation under section 351, under section 1, which is punishable under section 351(2) subsection 3 of Bharati Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Section 35 case as Ram Prasad versus State of UP AIR 1979 SC 199. 4 accused P, M, H, K and H tried to fully skirt their boundaries of gaining in the front of R. Includeness are objected because the land belonged to P, M were armed with lathis and assault R with lathis. H and K assaulted him with scratch and first. R dead as a result of hurt injury caused by the lathis. If the held that knowledge of appellants that the lathis would be fully and effectively used by the process of forcibly occupation, the land was not sufficient to establish the common intention of committed a criminal punishable under section 103. But when P and M give a blow on the head of R, they develop and shared a common intention causes death. Therefore, only P, M could to convicted of murder by applying section 35 and the order 2 could not be convicted under section 103 and the other 2 could not be convicted under section 103 of the Bharati Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Section 35 in the order understand of the principle of common intention. survey of the important would be usefully. A crime has been committed by the accused. Has been such charges. Bharati Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Argument prosecution has established the case carefully. There is no ground of extent to disavow the testimony of victim. Both accused persons are liable to convicted for that case act. The court action should be taken. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. May I proceed with my argument? Thank you, sir. So, please follow the bill number 1 prescribed in the case summary. Respected court, on the behalf of prosecution, cases seems to be his whole psychological story going on. The prosecution's party Balram is a neighbor of our and my client. My party have a plot which is situated next to the Balram's house. And then the polluted water, Balram's house polluted water that come out of Balram's house and gets absorbed in our party's plot. I earlier tell that the party's plot was held in situated between my party's house and neighbor's plot. So the Balram's house gets absorbed in our party's plot, due to which the land there was became marshy, due to which our are unable to go to their plot and are also unable to use it. Then in this regard, this fact has been confirmed by our neighbor, which was N. He is a witness in this matter. So please note down this point. My witness N tell about the neighbor is the party plot was situated in my house. The point number 4. The defendant had earlier requested him politely once or twice regarding this water drainage. Also when I refused again a few days ago. He abused me and threatened to implicate me in a false case. This created a situation of tension. So now I would like to summarize some FIR tells by prosecution. On the behalf of FIR, first, the FIR filed by them on a date 4/12/2020 is completely false and fabricated, because as per his statement given in the witness, he has shown in FIR that after coming from office on 30/11/2020, immediately after 7 p.m. in the evening, he was resting in his room, and according to his statement, only then my party with his son abused him and was beaten up. But sir, I would like to draw attention of the court that the said date by prosecution for 30/11/2020, it was a government holiday, and on that day the Kartik Purnima held on 30 November 2020. So why they are resting? Why they are going to office? Because on that day this is the holiday, government holiday. So note down this point. And so there is no point is going on in the office. Now on the matter of injury, the matter of FIR I am prescribed, and on the matter of injury, first, besides this, the injury he has mentioned have not been caused by my party, was due to a bike accident, because the prosecution had just bought a new bike which he was unable to ride. This was already mentioned by my witness N, who is my party's neighbor, and he has going somewhere on the bike with his wife Poonam. In the evening, then suddenly he fell down in the locality, like colony and anywhere in the locality, and got injured. Note down that point, got injured in the locality. And coincidentally, on that time, my client and his son were at home. My client Anup and his son Anmol at the home, and they came out of the house on hearing the sound of the accident. Then Balaram shouted and gathered the people of the locality and taking full advantage. Note down that point, sir. Taking full advantage of the situation, gave the accident the form of the attack and said that his wife were injured due to the attack by my client, but in reality the injuries were the result of the bike accident. This is the main cause. The injury was the result of the bike accident. So please note down that point, because it is completely scripted by my colleague. And now I'm present some doctor reports. Now on the doctor report, it has not been mentioned anywhere in the medical report by the doctor that the injuries are caused by any weapon or any lathi, but these are the minor injuries. Note down that point, these are the minor injuries. So now I'm talking about FIR again and again, because the most thinking was FIR delicacy. As per the prosecution, the incident happened on 30/11/2020, and the FIR lodged by them thereafter was done in 4/12/2020. There are between 3 days of delay in the FIR. This makes it clear that under a well-planned conspiracy, they had falsely implicated our client by creating a completely fabricated story, because the 3 days of delay making some stories behind us, and also they are not explained anywhere about the delay of FIR. They are not talking why they are delayed 3 days to submit the FIR. So I have a case regarding the delay of FIR. The case is Pradeep Kaur versus Punjab and Haryana, High Court 2012. In this case, there is unexplained delay, has not been explained, because earlier in our case, they are not explaining the delay of FIR. In this case, has not been explained by prosecution, and delay is fatal to the case of prosecution. The type of delay always makes some faults in the case and making psychological story and etc. Prosecution was duty bound to explain the delay of each day. They are not prescribed anywhere delay of 1 day, 2 day or 3 days. They are completely false. There is no evidence in the file to show that what effort was made to compromise between parties. In this our case, they are not mentioned anywhere the delegacy of FIR and the main reason behind why they are delegated and why they are delayed the FIR. So it is the case Pradeep Kaur versus Punjab Haryana. And now after that I am talking about regarding medical and ocular evidence, because in this case medical evidence are similar and ocular evidence are more similar. So in this regard, I have some cases. The first case is Rakesh versus State of MP 2011, 9 SCC 698, and another case Ram Narayan Singh versus State of Punjab 1975 4 SCC 947. In these cases, court prescribed that where the contradiction between medical evidence and ocular evidence stands crystallized to the effect that the ocular testimony of witness was not greater evidentiary. So note down this point. ocular testimony of witness was not greater evidentiary value. Because, however, where the medical evidence goes so far, that is completely ruled out all the possibility. So please, I am again talking about the note on the point. The medical evidence goes so far that is completely ruled out the possibility of the ocular evidence being true. Ocular evidence is maybe disbelieved. So now this is the regarding medical and ocular evidence. It is similar different. On this case, we are talking about evidences. Now on the basis of witnesses, they are totally different on the ocular evidence and the medical evidence. Now we see ocular evidence are looking like nothing was happened, and medical evidence, doctor already telling about it is not a serious concern of injury, it is minor injury. And now we are going to introduce no independent witness. It is the most important point in the case. No independent witness in the case. The prosecution does not have any witness other than the family witnesses, because they have mentioned that at that time when this incident happened, their neighbors, so please note down that point, when the incident was happened, their neighbors are also came to save them, but they don't have any independent witness. As of now, and neighbors also a witness, but in this case, no neighbor and no only his brother was our only witness, and it is not a independent witness, it is family witness. So in this regarding, I have one case, Megha Singh versus Supreme Court, February 9, 1995. In this case, Honorable Supreme Court prescribed that the quality of the witness and the importance of their testimony are more important than the quantity, and in this case, no independent witness uses examined to support the prosecution case. I am again telling about this case. In this case, the testimony or importance of the quantity of the witness. In this case, they are filed as many as 5 witnesses. All the witnesses are in the favor of family and the favor of prosecution. But generally, the neighbor witness or other witness was most compulsory thing to examine the case. But in this case, there should be only 5 witnesses, and this is the doctor witness, and doctor already tell that the minor variation injuries on the right leg of the Balram and right side of his wife. So now, as of now, I am considering some. Just a second, sir. Okay, sir, that's it.
Objection, my lord. I have denied all the facts from the defendant and counsel, and I give some documents in the court, landmark judgment and rule books. Please granted.
Yes.
General Rules Criminal 1997 and some public holiday, court open at night. Such landmark cases, Yaqub Abdul Razak Memon versus State of Maharashtra and others, 2025. 2015. In the case of Menon, the original appeal and a review petition, second review petition, connectedly petition, a written petition challenges the Supreme Court had it found appropriate to hold open at hearing at 3:30 a.m. at night, morning. Second one. Defendant and counsel. Question is sir. For time limit, the Law Commission of India has taken up the subject of emergency medical care to victim of X incident and other emergency in the light of obligation of the Supreme Court of India in the case Permanent Katra versus Union of India on point to be noted, sir, as ARI 1989 SC 2039. The medical literature on the subject state that the golden hour is the first hour of immediately after every medical injury citizen brought for the medical treatment should be intermediate because given the medical aids to preserve the life and thereafter the proceed criminal laws should be allowed to operate in the order avoid neglects the death the injury victim on his appearance before this other of himself or becomes causes to others. The point to be noted, in the 5 victims supported to prosecution, P1 to cross-examination by Balram, investigation officer P5 and doctor report. In the report to clarify not a motorcycle accident, Balram sustained an injury and X-ray report to submit. Prosecution has established the case carefully. Requested, sir. Prosecution has established the case carefully. Both accused persons are liable to convict for this act. Thank you, sir.
First of all, as of my colleague, we are talking about doctor's report. In the doctor report, doctor not mentioned anywhere about the injury. It is caused by the lathi and weapon. It is not caused any lathi and weapon. They are doctor talking about it is a minor injury. It is a minor injury. And in the other side, in the statement of witness PW1, Balram number 1 talking about over right arm and right side of the head with lathi. When his wife W, Poonam, also injured on the right side of his body's area. So we know that when the bike accident happened, as usually one side of the body suffers more damages. Usually one side of the body suffers more injury, which we has already mentioned in his statement, and that was the right side of the area body. And in this witness, the B, who is the legal brother of Balram, has not taken any responsibility to tell about the incident. He is only supported the Balram and his Poonam. So on the next day, the second point about the prosecution, and according to the doctor in his MLC report, doctor was not mentioned anywhere injury harmed by any weapon or any lathi. It is the type of minor injuries. I already prescribed that points, and now I am going for another point. The prosecution does not have any eyewitness, because they are talking about the family members and the neighbors came here to shout it, and the statement that at the time of the incident, his neighbors had also came along with his family members to save him. But in the witnesses, they are not taking any responsibility, and they are not concluding any evidence to support his case. And now I would like to talking about the doubts of the case. Just a second.
Objection, my lord. Anup Singh and Anmol Singh chases Balram with lathis inside the house. Assault. Balram sustained bleeding injury. Point to be noted. Prosecution has examined made 5 witnesses as Poonam P1, Balram P1, PW1, Poonam PW2, brother PW3, and MLC report to confirm to doctor reports is injury.
Objection, ma'am.
Anup Singh and Anmol Singh lathis were also subscribed from them. Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, they are talking about many more times witnesses. But I am already clarified about the witnesses. And doctor already telling about it is a minor injury. It is not caused by any weapon, any lathi. And about the second witness, they are talking about his Poonam and Balram. They are the main accused, but they are the main process in the case. And after his brother, he is the family member, and they are not combined any neighbor in this case. So it is the proper psychological case, I think. So it is my request to the court to place the evidence value clearly demonstrate that the prosecution action directly violated and established legal proceeding. Therefore, we respectfully urge the court to find in the favor of defendant and remove all the charges which was subjected to trial. Thank you for your time.
Objection, Lord. Said plan will taken by police officer P5 in the case map Anup Singh and Anmol Singh on the date 30/11/2020 in the evening at about 7 p.m. while he was resting in just after came into the office, suddenly A1 and A2, Anup Singh and Anmol Singh, because of opening drawing towards the plot, assaulted with immediation Balram by threatening to cause death. Feeling injury. Did I clarify? Poonam, witness number 5, PW5, accused person immediated by Balram in hospitalized in plaster in right arm with City Kotwali Jiva along with report to investigation officer. MLC report to clarify and sustained lathis. Thank you, sir.
When we already talk about the injury. The injury was taken on the right arm and the right side of the body. So there was no matter of any evidentiary value because the right side of the body generally accident in a bike accident, and after the second point they are talking about just a second sir, they are talking about the Balram B, and in the evening they are resting in his room, maybe dressing room. Okay. Now I'm clarify that my witness N, who is the neighbor of my party, already tell in the evidence B, who is a well-to-do person and a municipal officer. So why he is opened his drainage pipe in my party's plot? It's the main object, sir. He is a well-to person and a municipal officer. That's it, sir.
Objection, my lord. Victim taken PW5. Point to be noted. Sustained simple injury. Balram sustained grievous injury caused by hurt and sustained from them. Completed investigation charge sheet in the MLC report. To doctor clarify without motorcycle accident. Thank you.
Doctor neither clarifies about the accident. They are talking about this is a minor injury. Many most time I am already. My colleague don't understand that. Huh? And after that, just a second. Huh? Okay, I'm done.